Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix fatal error in Far Far West game on PC. So if you're getting this fatal error in the game Far Far West, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Fix 1 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix 2 is to disable the Intel R AI boost. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it and look for the neural processor. So expand the neural processors and here you will see the Intel R AI boost. Just right click on it and then select disable it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players. So I hope this will work for you as well. So here how to do it. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Now here you will find the neural processor. Just expand it and under the neural processor you will find this Intel R AI boost. Just disable it and then you can launch the game. Later on you can enable it after playing the game. Now if still your problem is not solved, then modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Far Far West game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Far Far West game and then select properties. And in the launch options, type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. Now here is the additional tip. Now when you set the game to run in -dx11, then game might be running terribly bad. Game is not optimized for dx11. To get more FPS, you can launch the game, go to the in-game settings and set render quality to 50% and set anti-aliasing to TSR. And then your game will work fine. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Far Far West fatal error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.